You can save blocks you've created and reuse them to serve as templates on other pages within your website. Go to the settings of the block you want to save, and you'll see the heart icon which allows us to save the block. Go ahead and click to save. Essentially, saving blocks in the WordPress plugin and Brizy Cloud is the same, except that if it's the first time you are saving a block in your WordPress installation, this screen will pop up asking you to log in into your Brizy account. This isn't necessary in Brizy Cloud, as within the cloud platform, your project is already connected and automatically syncing to your Brizy account. If you have a Brizy account, free or pro, you can log in, and once you've done that, you'll now be able to sync your saved block not only to this installation, but across Brizy WordPress and Brizy Cloud. We have a video out on how to sync saved blocks and layouts, so make sure you check that out. In this case, we only want to save the block to this installation of WordPress, so we click on skip. Brizy goes ahead and saves this block to your saved blocks in the block manager. To access the saved block, add a new block to open the block manager, or simply hit Ctrl-Command-Shift-A on your keyboard to bring up the manager. And then from the tab area at the top, select saved, and within a jiffy, Brizy has saved the block. To add it for reuse, click on it, and then as you would normally do, make content and styling changes. If at any point you want to delete it, mosey on over to the block manager and delete the block by clicking on the trash can icon at the top right hand corner of the block's thumbnail. With saved blocks, you can easily back up your block designs for reuse later, saving you time on the redesign process.